So why do some people age like fine wine and others look 10 years older than they really are? It's not just genetics, and it's not your skincare routine. It's your gut. I'm Dr. Partha Nandi. I'm a board-certified gastroenterologist, and what I'm about to show you could change how you think about beauty, aging, and skin health forever. The science is clear. Your gut health directly impacts your skin, from acne to rosacea, from wrinkles to that youthful glow. So let's break it down. You've probably heard of the gut-brain axis, but here's another powerful pathway, the gut-skin axis. Your gut and your skin communicate through immune signals, hormones, and even bacterial metabolites. When your gut microbiome is healthy, it produces compounds like short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs for short, that reduce inflammation, support collagen production, and help your skin retain moisture. But when your gut is out of balance, what we call dysbiosis, your body becomes inflamed. That chronic inflammation shows up on your skin. It's the root cause of acne flare-ups, premature wrinkles, skin dryness, puffiness, even inflammatory conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Let's talk aging. A 2020 study published in Frontiers in Microbiology showed that older adults with more diverse gut microbiomes had fewer signs of skin aging, fewer wrinkles, and better skin hydration. But why? Because a healthy gut helps regulate oxidative stress, which breaks down collagen, inflammatory cytokines, which accelerate aging, and insulin resistance, which affects skin elasticity. So the translation, if your gut is inflamed, your face will be too. You may think acne is a hormonal issue, and yes, it partly is, but hormones are processed in the gut. If you're dealing with breakouts, especially around the chin and jawline, your gut may be struggling to clear excess estrogen or testosterone. A sluggish gut or poor microbiome diversity can lead to hormonal imbalances that show up as cystic acne, oily skin, or redness. Add in those food sensitivities, leaky gut, or constipation, and you've got the perfect storm. If you want glowing skin, you don't need more serums. You need to start with your gut. And here are 5 practical things you can do today. First, eat more fiber, especially prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, asparagus, and leeks. These feed your good gut bacteria. Cut down on your sugar and dairy. Both can increase gut permeability and trigger breakouts in sensitive individuals. Add fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and plain kefir. These introduce beneficial bacteria into your system. And stay hydrated. Your gut lining and your skin both depend on proper hydration. Try targeted gut support supplements like probiotic and postbiotics. My personal formulation, MindBiotic, was created with this gut-skin connection in mind. One of my patients came to me after years of battling adult acne. She had tried every topical cream, facial, and dermatologist treatment, but nothing worked. When we tested her gut, she had low levels of beneficial bacteria, signs of leaky gut, and high inflammatory markers. We started by replacing her gut, by removing inflammatory foods, adding in prebiotic-rich vegetables and fermented foods, introducing a clinically studied probiotic and postbiotic formula. And within 90 days, her acne dramatically improved. But even more surprising, her skin actually looked younger, smoother, and more radiant. Remember, your skin is not just a reflection of your environment, it's a mirror of your gut. So if you want real beauty, the kind that doesn't wash off at night, it starts with healing from the inside out. I'm Dr. Partha Nandi, and I believe the real fountain of youth is in your gut. Follow me for more truth over trends, and if you're ready to transform your skin, check out my free gut health guide in the description.